Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing a squishy experiment, and I'm going to be timing it on my phone. So, yeah, I'm going, hold on, timer, okay. So, I need to go get my phone. Sorry, I just have to do homework, and I have school on Tuesday, so it's terrible. So yeah, let me just get to here, and then timer, and then I'm going to set it for 15 minutes, it's already on there, and this is what it's going to sound like when it's done, or it might sound like this. So I'm just going to do it as that, so I'm going to put it in, but this is before the squishy experiment. I don't know what I'm going to do it on, but here are all my squishies, and remember guys, I'm a supplier, and I have a lot of extras, so just, yeah. I stocked up on almost everything I have here. Everything I have, I'm stocked up on. It's just that, like, not on this. I only have, like, 2 of these, so if you want one, then you can be the lucky one that gets one. So, yeah, this one's really squishy. There, these are all my squishy, but yeah, these are my squishies. So, these are all my squishies, and I don't know what I'm going to do it on yet, but this is the squishiness of this one. Oh, you can't really see, but and this one, I already did it on this, a squishy experiment, but when you squeeze it, there's cracks, and if I'm trading with anyone, I can give you the non-defected bow, but I just do squishy experiments on this one because it's defected anyway, so I just do it like that. Then this sandwich is really squishy. This butter donut. I have this waffle, and I don't know if I want to do it on this one because of like the detail and stuff that's on it. I might do it on the sandwich because it has some defects, but not like a lot. But it's really squishy. I like this one. And I have done it on this before, and it was really squishy. Like, it was squishier, but right now it's really squishy. Like, this is one of the squishiest squishies. So yeah. This panda bun, and I've done it on this a lot of times, and it's super, super squishy. This one's really squishy too. I have this Teasing Beauty face for the melon bun. I really like this one too. It doesn't slowly come up or anything, but it smells really good and it's pretty squishy. And then this one, then this bow macaroon. Not bow macaroon, what am I saying? This, sorry. This, Minnie Mouse macaroon. And I ordered the Daisy one, but I don't know why this one came. And, like, if I trade with anyone, this, is coming off, so don't yell at me if you get it, like, a little bit peeling off because I got it like this, and it was just really sad that I got it like this because I thought it was gonna be like better, but I mean, yeah. So this is before the squishy experiment, and I'm going to do it on. I might do it on this. So if you guys could tell me what I would do it on, then just comment below right now, and just let me know what you think I should put in. I'm gonna try to put it in this, see if it gets squishier, and this. So tell me if I should put it on these, and yeah, I'm just gonna put it on these two squishies. So yeah,